guys, welcome back to our garage. If you saw that little intro there at the beginning of this video, you saw the truck. Two things to say about that. A, no truck stuff today. B, I love the cold start. That's the factory exhaust on those Ram trucks, and they sound fantastic. So we will be doing exhaust stuff for the truck later on, not today. Today is a little bit of maintenance. We're going to do a cabin air filter on the Hyundai. I'm going to show you, I'm going to use a little bit of special sauce on that, and then maybe make that cabin air filter a little bit more enjoyable. Maybe a little bit better smelling in there once we swap it out. You know, dust, grime, all kinds of garbage gets in there. So we're going to take care of that today. At the end, I'm also going to show you how easy it is to change the engine air filter on a Hyundai. So stick around. All right, everybody. What I ordered was the EcoGuard. It's the cabin air filter, model number XC10482. This is for the Hyundai Kia 2.4 motors. So let's get her unboxed here. And this is just one of the basic. This was like the cheapest because Mama runs through miles so quickly. Well, not recently, but normally so quickly. She runs through miles so fast, and we replace these all the time. And we just grab what we got. So there's that. Here's the instructions, I'm sure. Let's see, replacement. Oh, look at that, for a Hyundai Sonata. Installation time 15 minutes. Alright, so we're going to take the air filter. We're going to take a little Adams Polishes odor neutralizer. This is the fresh scent, and we're just gonna give it a little spurtsy. Okay, now it's ready to install. Now I'm gonna take our filter, let's get that. Yep, gotta have your wet wipes. Everything we need. Okay, so I've already got the glove box cleared of all of its contents. I'm sure everyone has the similar contents, straws, napkins, all of that same stuff. Okay, all right, let me slide over and I'll show you how to do this. So we got the glove box cleared out. This thing's super easy. You've got these two little knobs, one on each side. Okay, and you just twist and it pops out. It's cammed, as you can see it right there. It's cammed, so as you twist it pops out. You got two of those, and you might have to wiggle and jiggle a little bit, but they'll come out. And on this far side, I'll show a picture of it probably right here. There is the arm that you have to disconnect. That arm, what that arm does is, that is the shock absorber, right? That's the slow opening arm. So that is easy. You just pinch. It's so easy. You just pinch. I mean, no, normally it's so easy. You just pinch and boom, comes right off. Glove box flops down out of your way. In here, there's a door with an air filter. Oh, I smell that fresh scent in that air filter. And this, you just kind of gotta paw at it, claw at it till it comes out. Oh yeah. Definitely ready to replace, huh? I'm telling you, Mama puts a lot of miles on these things. So you can see, so it was in there like this. You can see the arrow, right? Where you can see the arrow, it's the way the airflow needs to go. So we're gonna put it in same way we took it out. Slide in, make sure it's in. Replace the door. And that door, you stick it in the notch and then you press until it clicks. It's all in there. It's airtight. It's sealed. And then installation is a reverse of the disassembly. Arm clicks on. You take your cammed fittings, and you're going to need to push the glove box in, because what these cammed fittings do, as you can see, there's a little rubber piece. So what they do is they hit on the framing for the glove box to give it that soft hit. So you're going to make sure that it's behind that framing when you thread this in until it clicks. It might again take some wiggling and jiggling. But it'll click. Boom. And it's ready to go. Put all the mama's stuff back in. 2 important pieces, insurance card and a straw. All done. I just saved us about $45, and you can too. That's how you do it. Really do a little bit of research. When these dealerships are offering to do your cabin air filter for you, do a little bit of research so that you can figure out, hey, do I really want to pay for that? I don't think I do. So anyway, that's how you do the cabin air filter. Now let's look at how to do the engine air filter. So the hood's popped. Let's do the latch. Look at the hood struts. There she is. Now check this out. Look at this. Pull out to open air filter. Okay, so you see the arrows here, and there's an arrow here, and it's a flap that just has those metal spring clips. I think that was literal spring clip. Okay, and this is the air filter. Seriously, this slides right out. It's got a little frame that it goes in, but and a little pop. Now tell me that's not the easiest air filter to change. If you guys know of an easier air filter to change, put it down in the comments below. As far as this video goes, we're done. She doesn't need a new engine air filter. We got the cabin air filter all put in. It's all fresh scented up. So if you found any value in this video, or if you just want to say what's up, use the comment section. Otherwise, subscribe, like the video, share the video, do whatever with the video. Remember, everybody, stay isolated, stay healthy, and I don't know, tell your family you love them.